Hi friends, today I'm going to read to you the book called I Am Human, a book of empathy. Now the author of this book is Susan Verde, and the art, the illustrator, is created by Peter H. Reynolds. So Susan is the author who wrote the book, and Peter is the artist who illustrated the pictures. Now let's talk about this word empathy before we dive into this book. That's a big word, empathy. What does it mean? Empathy means that you understand what someone else is feeling. It goes even a little bit further than that. You understand and feel what someone else is feeling. So what does that mean? What is that like for someone who is in kindergarten or first grade? Now, have you ever felt sad with one of your friends just because they were sad? That's empathy. You are understanding and feeling what they are feeling. Has a friend ever gotten a toy, a brand new toy, and they were so excited and they showed you their toy, and you were so excited too because you knew what it feels like, you knew what it felt like to have a new toy? That's empathy. You're feeling what they're feeling. You're seeing the world from their eyes, which means that you're looking at things similar to how they're looking at things. They see and are excited about their new toy, and you see and are excited about their new toy too. That's empathy. Empathy is so important because it helps us understand other people. Without empathy, we don't understand each other. And it is so important to work hard to understand one another and the feelings that we each have. All right, so this is I Am Human, a book of empathy. I was born, a miracle, one of billions but unique. I am human. I am always learning. I'm finding my way and choosing my path on this incredible journey. I have big dreams. I see possibility. I have endless curiosity. I make discoveries. I have a feeling of wonder. I am amazed by nature. I have a playful side. I find joy in friendships. I am human. But being human means I am not perfect. I make mistakes. I can hurt others with my words, my actions, and even my silence. I can be hurt too. I can be fearful of things I don't yet understand and timid to try something new. I have a heavy heart when I feel sadness. I am human. But then I remind myself that because I am human, I can make choices. I can move forward. A poor choice can become a better choice with thoughtfulness. A bad day can become a great day with kindness. I can act with compassion and lend a helping hand. I can treat others with equality and be fair. I can choose not to fight, but instead to listen and find common ground. I can say, I'm sorry, and ask for forgiveness. I am human. One of billions, but unique. I am not alone. I am connected to my friends, to my family, to the world. We are all humans together. And I will keep trying to be the best version of me. I am full of hope. I am human. The end. Wow, I loved that book. I'm going to go back to one of my favorite pages. I think it's this one. They're all so good, but I'm going to talk about this one before we end. This one says, I can act with compassion, which means kindness. It's another word for kindness. And lend a helping hand. You see this boy? He's carrying this woman's groceries. He's being helpful. He's using compassion. He's understanding that maybe groceries are hard for her to carry, but he has the ability to carry them. So he's going to step in. He's going to act and do something and be helpful. Over here it says, I can treat others with equality and be fair. That means you treat people the same. You don't treat someone else better than another person just because of what they look like, or because of how they act, or because of the things that they do. You treat them the same because they are all human. This is so important. I can treat others with equality and be fair. What was your favorite part of the book? What is something that you can do? What is something that you can do that you learned from this book in order to show empathy to your friends or to your family members? Have a great day.